I think, I believe, in my opinion. Do you know how to share your view in English? Today we learn opinion phrases. Let's speak up. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Giving your opinion is one of the most important skills. It helps you connect, discuss, and express yourself. Let's learn how to do it naturally. Section 1. Basic opinion phrases. I think, the most common. I believe, a little stronger. In my opinion, formal and clear. I feel that, based on feelings. It seems to me that, your personal view. From my point of view, your perspective. Practice. Use I think right now. Complete this sentence. I think English is. Say it out loud, don't be shy. Section 2. Expressing strong and weak opinions. Sometimes you feel very sure. Sometimes not so sure. Strong opinions. I'm certain that. I'm convinced that. There's no doubt that. Weak or uncertain opinions. I'm not sure, but I might be wrong, but it could be that. I suppose quite weak, almost neutral. Using weak phrases is not a bad thing. It shows honesty and humility. Native speakers use weak phrases all the time. Section 3. Supporting your opinion. A good opinion needs a reason. Use these to give reasons, because the most basic connector. The reason is formal. For example, give a specific case. This shows that. Connect evidence to your point. That's why I think. Summarize your view. Full example. I think learning English is very important. The reason is that it helps you communicate worldwide. For example, you can travel to any country and be understood. That sounds confident, clear, and natural. Recap. Basic phrases. I think. In my opinion, I feel that. Strong. I'm certain. Weak. I suppose. I might be wrong, but. Supporting. Because. For example. That's why I think. Your challenge. Give your opinion on any topic in the comments. Use I think because. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.